Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your dispute resolution with JAMS, detailed guide step by step clearly. JAMS is a leading provider of mediation and arbitration services. Upgrading your dispute resolution process with JAMS can streamline conflicts and enhance business relationships. Begin by assessing your current dispute resolution practices. Identify the types of disputes that frequently arise in your organization. Evaluate the effectiveness of your existing methods for resolving these disputes. Gather feedback from team members about their experiences with the current process. Research JAMS services to understand their mediation and arbitration options. Visit the JAMS website to explore their range of offerings and resources. Consider the specific needs of your organization in the context of dispute resolution. Reach out to JAMS for a consultation to discuss your requirements. Prepare a summary of your current dispute resolution challenges to share during the consultation. During the consultation, ask about JAMS' approach to resolving disputes. Inquire about their panel of neutrals and how they select the right mediator or arbitrator for your case. Evaluate the costs associated with JAMS services and how they fit into your budget. Request case studies or examples of how JAMS has resolved similar disputes. Once you have gathered all the necessary information, make an informed decision. If you choose to move forward, start by drafting a tailored dispute resolution clause for your contracts. Integrate JAMS into your organizational policies on dispute resolution. Train your team on the new processes, emphasizing the benefits of using JAMS. Encourage an open dialogue about the changes to foster a positive reception. Implement a feedback mechanism to continually improve the dispute resolution process. Regularly review the effectiveness of JAMS services in your organization. Adapt and refine your approach as necessary based on feedback and outcomes. Building a strong partnership with JAMS can significantly enhance your dispute resolution capabilities. This proactive approach will lead to healthier, more productive business relationships. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.